Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, grade 4. How are you all? Hopefully you will be fine. As you know that from 13th your online assessment will be start. So what will be the syllabus and how you will attempt the assessment? Today I will tell you. In socio-technology, your syllabus will be chapters number 1, wonders of the world. Wonders of the world. In this chapter, your fill in the blanks, true and false statement plus match the column. These three things are included in your first assessment, first online assessment. In second chapter, the planets. The second chapter is the planets. In this also fill in the blanks, true and false statements and match the column is included in your online assessment. Now there is another question 4 which is included in your first online assessment or in socio-technology, that is order the planets in their correct orbit. If there is any missing, then leave its place. The question is order the planets in solar system. There will be, you will find at your assessment sheet the solar system, understand, and you will write the planet's name, and if there is any orbit which is missing, so you will leave that orbit. You will just identify those planets which are marked at your assessment sheet, understand. As you know that in your solar system, there is sun in the center of solar system. Sun is in the nucleus or center of solar system. Every planet orbits around the sun. Every planet orbits around the sun. As there is in first orbit, at first orbit there is Mercury. At first orbit there is Mercury. In second orbit there is Venus. In second orbit there is Venus. Mercury is the closest to the sun. Venus is at the second orbit of the sun. Earth is at the third orbit. Mars at fourth orbit or placed at the fourth number from the sun. Number next is Jupiter. Number next is Saturn. Number next is Uranus, and the last one is Neptune. There is another Pluto, but we didn't mark it at a time. Okay. Now there is last planet, eighth one, which is Neptune. First is Mercury, last is Neptune. Second is Venus, second last is Uranus. Third is Earth, third last is Saturn. Fourth is Mars and fourth last is Jupiter. Okay, got it all of you? So you will find this solar system without names of the planets. Without names of the planets, you will mark the planets and sun as well, and you will color these planets. So how you will attempt the first online assessment? There will be missing statements, there will be true false, there will be match the column, and there will question number 4, order the planets in their correct orbit. The words may be differ from this question, but this was which I have told you now like the same. अंडरस्टैंड? बिल्कुल इसी तरह का क्वेश्चन दूंगी, लेकिन वर्ड्स हो सकता है कि थोड़े मिसिंग हों, ठीक है। फिर आपने क्या करना है, इन फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स को एक शीट पे लिखना है, ट्रू फॉल्स को लिखना है, मैच द कॉलम को लिखना है, ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 लिखना है। इसी तरह से आपने ड्रॉ करना है सोलर सिस्टम, अंडरस्टैंड। देन आपने ब्लैंक्स फिल करनी है, उनको अंडरलाइन करना है, ट्रू फॉल्स फिल करने हैं, मैच द कॉलम फिल करना है। देन आपने सोलर सिस्टम ड्रॉ करके व्हाट यू विल डू, यू विल mark or identify the planets, you will mark or identify the missing planets, understand? Got it all of you? There will be just drawn the planets, the name will be missing, so you will write or identify their names, understand? planets draw होंगे, उनके just name नहीं होंगे, तो आपने वो अकॉर्डिंग टू ऑर्डर, यू विल नॉट मिक्स दीज और यू विल नॉट चेंज द ऑर्डर ऑफ द प्लैनेट्स, अंडरस्टैंड? आपने चेंज नहीं करना ऑर्डर, प्लैनेट्स के ऑर्डर को। फर्स्ट ऑर्बिट में जो प्लैनेट है आपने वही मार्क करना है, सेकंड में जो है वही आपने मार्क करना है, अंडरस्टैंड? सन को आपने मार्क करना है, कलर भी करना है, इन सब प्लैनेट्स को कलर भी करना है। Then you will take image of your answer sheet, then you will take image of your answer sheet and you will send us back in the given time period. You will send us back in the given time period. Now, if there is any adult at your home who can draw this solar system in 5 minutes or in 3 minutes, so you can take help just in drawing. You can just take help in drawing, you will mark by yourself, understand? Hopefully you will take it seriously and you will attempt these carefully. Thank you.